Here we are just outside Weta Cave here in Wellington. There's all the rings. Some of the organ goblin armour. King Feridun's armour. There's life-size golem. And here we come into the main shop. So we've got some of the replica axes and stuff from the... And here we have the Thunderbirds. And here we have a replica Ghost in the Shell armour. Or should I say geisha? And just out the back here we've got the miniature museum. So here we have some more Orc, Goblin and Ukra weapons. Chainmail from the Kingdom of Heaven. And the Narnia, the Lion, Witch and the Wardrobe, bow and shield. And sword. And a few more Lord of the Rings armaments. Actually, that looks like the gauntlet of Sauron. Here it is. And here we have the Brute Spiker Plasma Pistol and a Warthog display for the movie Halo. And up the top there we've got a scale of the quiver and arrows. And here we have District 9 weapons. And Bilbo Baggins' feet from the Hobbit movie. And there's a rebreather from the Avatar. And here we have all the miniature museum collectibles that were and have sold out in the shop. So you can't actually get these anymore in the shop. And here we have a scale model of Lutz. And here's all the miniatures you can actually buy. And there's a scale dragon. Unfortunately it's sold out. And now back out through the front. And just out the front here we have a scale model of the troll. And there we have the guided tour of Weta Cave.